Hello guys, my name is Shivani and the topic allotted to me is Trivida Pariksha. The shlok of Trivida Pariksha is as follows. Darshana Sparshana Prashnehi Pariksheta cha Roginam Rogam Nidana Pragurupa Lakshanopashapti. Now let's look at the introduction of the shloka. The shloka is from the ancient Ayurvedic text Charak Samhita. It emphasizes the importance of a thorough examination of a patient to diagnose and treat diseases. Let's break down the first word darshan, sparshan, prashna, parikshet, roginam. This is sandhi vichhed of the shlok. Next line of the shloka is as follows: Rogam nidan pragrupa lakshana upashaptibhi. So rogam nidan pragrupa lakshana upashaya apti. This is the detailed breakdown of the shloka. Darshan, which means observation or visual examination. Sparshan, which is palpation or physical examination through touch. Prashna is questioning or interrogation. Parikshet is examination or investigation. Cha here in Sanskrit means and. Roginam is the patient who is suffering from the disease. The meaning of the next line is as follows: Rogam, which means disease or disorder. Nidana, which is etiology or cause of the disease. Pragrupa is the initial or preliminary symptoms of the disease. Lakshana is specific symptom or characteristics particular to that disease. Upashaya, these are the complications or secondary symptoms of the disease. Apti are the signs and indications of the disease. Now here is a detailed explanation of each and every word of the shloka. In darshana, this is the visual examination, and we judge the disease based on the appearance of the patient, including the posture, gait, facial expressions and other visible symptoms. Sparshan is by touch, so it includes palpation of the abdomen, chest and other areas to assess organ function, detect abnormalities and identify areas of tenderness. Prashna, which is the questioning, includes the interrogation of the patient in detail to gather information about the medical history, symptoms, lifestyle and other relevant features. Then this shloka emphasizes the importance of considering 5 key factors when diagnosing a disease. That is the nidan, understanding the underlying cause of the disease is crucial for effective treatment. This includes identifying the root cause such as diet, lifestyle or environmental factors. Pragrupa are the initial symptoms. So it is done by recognizing the initial symptoms of a disease, which helps in early diagnosis and treatments. The symptoms will be subtle and require careful observation. Lakshana, identifying the specific symptoms or characteristics of a disease, helps in differentiating it from other conditions. These symptoms will be unique to the disease and require careful observation. In the next slide, we have upashaya, which are the complications of the disease. Considering the potential complications or secondary symptoms of the disease helps in providing comprehensive treatment. These complications may arise from the disease itself or from related factors. Apti are the signs or indications. Recognizing the signs or indications of disease helps in confirming the diagnosis. These signs can be physical, mental or emotional and require careful observation again. Below I have attached some of the images for your reference. Inspection, palpation is through touch. This is pulse examination. Percussion is by sound, hearing different kinds of sound. Yeah, this is the palpation of the abdomen. Here we can see, and this is in detail. You can see pulse, palpation, visual examination, ophthalmoscopic examination, otoscopic examination, sound conduction assessment, deep